everybody, in today's video we are going to be making a part that disappears and destroys once you touch it in Roblox Studio. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so now when we're in the studio, the first thing I'm going to do is insert a part into the workspace just like this. And then you can make the part whatever you want. So we're making like a nice size like this, like a little tile. And then in our Explorer tab, you can click View and then Explorer to open this. We're going to insert a script inside this part. In this script, we are going to do some code. So we're going to type local part equals script.Parent. And then we're going to make a function, local function touched. And then we're going to call this function underneath here. We're going to do touched. We're going to do part.Touched. And then we're connect touched function. We're going to call it part.Touched, so it's not the exact same. We're going to name it this. You can name your function whatever you want. It's just, we're going to do this for now. So now when we touch this part, we can literally do anything we want to it. So let's just do part destroy. So if we touch this part, technically it's going to get destroyed, but it's going to touch the workspace no matter what. So technically it's already touching the base plate. The .touched applies to everything Roblox Studio. So to prevent this, we're just going to anchor this part. Now if we go click play and we go touch this, it gets destroyed, which is pretty crazy. Now you could also do anything you want to this. So if we wanted to make it disappear and we didn't want it to be destroyed, we can do like part.Transparency. And we can set this to 1 so we can make it, disappear. It's going to give the same effect as the destroy, but the destroy is going to remove it from the workspace. We could also do things like task.wait, so we can wait a minute or wait a few seconds before we destroy it. And if you do the task.wait, what that does is just waits 1 second. So whatever number you put in task.wait, it's going to wait a little bit. But pretty much this script is very simple. So it's going to delete in 1 second just like that. And then you could even just duplicate this over and over again like so. And then maybe you wanted to change some colors, make it like super cool and playful like that. And now what you have right here is a TNT run game, like one of them ones from Minecraft where you run and then the part's destroyed beneath your feet. And just like that, this script right here literally made you an entire Roblox game. And if you don't want to put the script in, I'm going to leave it in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And these videos do take a little bit of time to make. So it'd be crazy if you guys could leave a like or subscribe to the channel. And I even linked a Discord server, which I just made, in the description below. So if you want to ask me any coding questions or want to just ask me questions, you guys can join that Discord server and connect with me. And I hope you guys have a nice Christmas and a great break. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.